I just pulled down my flower plant on my porch to try to water it. And this, oh, look.
Guys, look how insanely smart birds are. They created a nest under this banana leaf. Okay, they sewed in. Oh my god.
Y'all want to see like the coolest thing ever? Like, wow.
Beautiful. What a good job, Jude.
Hello? Hi, buddy. It's okay. Hello.
It's the nicest wolf. Oh, it's...
This little hummingbird mama built her nest in my cafe lights.
Picnic is the nicest in all the years.